All right, we're going to jump right in to essentially what the whales are trading today. Got a couple of extensions. We'll talk about just a couple stories really quick, but this is what you want to know. Where is the money going? So today we've got Cosmos, HBAR, Raven, Internet Computers doing well, and VLX, don't even know that one, but also Helium is still there. Love to see it. Love the harmonies up there today. So good day for those. So where's the money flowing? Let's go there next. We're on the 1 week. We did the 1 week yesterday, so we are now. So look at as we move up here, we want to look at Cosmos, clearly KP3R, Kava, KAVA, 120 million this week. Engine, 150 million. Power, I don't know that one either. POWR, 183, almost $200 million. Maybe that Phantom's got some big ones. 1.7 billion is backing it, guys. It's showing good relative strength. So is Yearn Finance at 250. Cardano's there. There's the Internet Computer. Again, all these are the ones that are moving up clearly, and this is over the week. Now, the 3-day I can get on, but guess what? I'm having difficulties, and I'm working with the technical folks at Crypto Metrics right now. So with that being said, I want to look at what the whales are buying. Check this out. Here it is right here. So this is what the whales are holding in there. So if you have so they've linked these to 1,000 Ethereum or more. So this is what the whales are holding in their wallets. I'm just going to do top 5, 6, 7, right? Shiba is the big one. So understand 14.76%. FTX is number 2, right? Again, this is what the whales are holding. Other tokens are just 7%, but clearly they use USDT, but they are moving over to USDC, and we are seeing a flippening of the USDC above USDT. That'll happen very, very soon. But look at also Gala, Crow, and Best. They also like OKB, which is the OK coin exchange, right? But look at Best and Gala. We know Gala's been doing well for a while. All right, what else are we looking at today? We're looking at Ethereum. I can do this off the top of my head, right? So this is the Ethereum TA. I give you a little bit of Fibonacci extension too. So essentially, where you want to be on Ethereum, you want to be. You're good. We're kind of in no man's land, but you want to be good. You're good above 3,600, right? That's where you want to hold, kind of stay long. 3,900 is the key extension level. The trend extension is what they call it. Once we get above the 3,900, then once the 4,000 hits, that's the psychological. But we have a price target of 5,730, and I believe that is on the 423 trend extension on the Fibonacci. So watch out for that. If you want to on the Cosmos, again, I'll tell you this one too. You want to stay long above 32. The price target we have is 42-ish at the 161 trend level, but then you also want, if you can defeat 42-ish in ATOM, you want to go. Got a price target of 71 on the 261 trend extension from the Fibonacci. If you want to go, I can tell you one more too. Helium, which I just did this one. You want to stay long above 41. Price target we have is at 61-ish, and that's the 423 trend extension level. So there you go. Also, what happened today? Well, the Ethereum killer Solana had a real problem today. It went down for the 4th time in the last 12 months. Again, I've told you this before, guys, that blockchains often freeze up for various reasons, right? And they've got to be restarted. This actually happens not quite a lot, but it does happen more than you think, right? But clearly with Solana doing this over and over and over, problem. But what they found out was it was a DDoS attack. Maybe the main reason behind the downtime on the main network. Users suspect the spam has overloaded the network. So I just wanted to make you aware of that. That's probably driving down price. Let me look real quick and see where Solana is right now. Solana is, let me get the, we got Euro, give me the Coinbase USD. Solana is at 192. It drove it down slightly today. So there it is, 169. Sorry. So this is where it was. So it's down slightly. It's been in a downtrend. It does have overhead supply, so watch that. It is in a downtrend on the daily chart. Clearly, the technicals say sell, and the super trend says sell too. But we are clearly long Solana. All right. Also, want to tell you about Polkadot. Why is Polkadot going crazy? One of the reasons why, at least today, what is Polkadot doing today? Really quick. Deutsche Telekom is going to use them. Let me find USD, and there it is. It's at 29. A lot of overhead supply, but it is trying to bounce back. You can see it there. Well, what's going on with it? Well, German telecommunications giant Deutsche Telekom is teaming up with Polkadot, investing in the interoperability blockchain's ecosystem by purchasing DOT tokens. So they're making a big token. So their subsidiary, they're doing this through with their subsidiary company T Systems, right? They're going to purchase the Polkadot network. Aims to connect multiple blockchains. In fact, I call it a layer 0 because it's got the parachains, and once those basically come to a consensus, they throw it onto the Polkadot main chain into one unified network, allowing users different blockchains to send and receive transfers of any type of data asset. The DOT token allows holders to participate in the network governance, staking, and bonding. We all know that. We know what it's trading. I just thought that this was very good news, so watch DOT move as well. We talked about the whales and what they're holding. You're seeing it there. There is the, this was from the daily hold. So that's where I got that chart from, just to let you guys know that it's legit. And then finally, what was I going to tell you? I believe that is it. I want to see what we got on the weekly bubbles as well. You can see what's moving. You can see where the money's flowing to, right? There's ICP, there's Yearn, Near, there's Phantom, there's Cosmos, there's One. So you can see that the money comes in, and a week later, here it is, right? That's what we're seeing. That's why you've got to know what the buy flows are a week out, right? So what's it been for the past week? Boom. Typically, you'll see them here, right? So this is the crypto bubbles, and then if you did not know, we also use cryptometer.io. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys being here. I've got some really good information. I always do. I'll have more TA and Fibonacci extensions in the trend extensions, which is basically price targets. I do it for stocks, and I'll also do it for crypto as well. Pretty good as well. We also make insider calls. That's why I deal with the whales. That's also why I deal with the crypto hedge funds as well. So please give me a like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Love you guys. Appreciate it. Wanted to also look at the comments real quick. How does AVAX look? AVAX, let's look at AVAX real quick. Let me go to CoinMarketCap for the AVAX though. Just so you guys know, I took profits in Olympus DAO. I didn't make much, but I jumped out of half of that, and I jumped out of more than half of what was that, Wonderland. So I think I lost some money in that one actually. So I want to make sure that we're on an uptrend to get back into those. So I took the AVAX out. Here's the thing on, so clearly if you're on YouTube, you can definitely see this, right? So you want to stay long above 76, pretty easy there. I mean, really the rule of thumb is you want to stay long what it was in the May highs, and its May highs was 34. I'd stay long above this 77, 76 level. You can see it here and here as well. So just stay long and know that we are at 105. So really want to stay long, AVAX. AVAX is one of the great relative strengths that we have. So that's Raj. It doesn't matter on the daily or the weekly. I typically go with the daily charts because it's, especially with the ones that have a high relative strength, because they continue just to go up. If the chart's doing this, guys, you're doing something right. So just understand that. Mercy, what's up, brother? Banger, man. Good to see you, man. I'm finally back on YouTube a little bit. Thank you for the straight banger content. Can you pay the rent? Algo is my largest holding. Let's look. Algo. Algo, again, good relative strength, good RSI strength as well. I think the last month it may have been, yeah, it hasn't done last month, but where you stay long at. Now, if I'm giving, oh, there it is. You see it. Let's go year to date, which that's not, sorry, 1 year. You want to be long above May highs. There's your May high. It's basically your March high here. So 167. Where is it at today? 169. So watch yourself. That's really the bull bear pivot for me. I'd have to look on the 200 day to figure out exactly where the bull bear pivot is from a technical perspective. But that's what it's for me. The rule of thumb is you want to be long above the May highs. Again, it just kind of went sideways. It's taking a dip now. Let me see what else we can see here. Yeah, I'd stay long. I think Algo is a good one. I'm not seeing the money flows, though. That's the thing. We need to see the money flows. Let me look back here just really quick on the buy flow for the week. And I'm not seeing Algo on here. BNB, Dusk, 80, ICP. Tron is getting some big looks, though. Oh, and Rose, guys. Don't forget the Rose. I actually acquired Rose about 2 weeks ago. Bangers. It's been good for me. So there you go, Marcy. I don't see the flow coming in for the AVA. So for the Algo, though, that's the problem, right? Even if I go to the daily, I'm not seeing the buy flow. CeeLo, FTT, there's Link, Solana Sushi, Dot, Near. I'm just not seeing the Algo flow coming in. And it's not going directly either. Dang. So watch yourself on that one. This might be some time to take some profits on that one if you can, or rotate into a more of a where the flow is and the chart's doing this. That's what we want to do. Hey, Chase, appreciate you as well. AVAX, yeah, did we just look at that one? We did. Daily, weekly. If you buy SafeMoon, only buy V2, do not buy V1. V1 has 100% tax for moving. No kidding. Yeah, I do not hold SafeMoon. In fact, I'll tell you what I do own. I own the Meta Hero. In fact, let me get to my watch list really quick. Where's my watch list? There it is. So you can see, coming down here at the bottom, Titano, guys, has killed it for me. I'm not kidding you. It's been very, very good. So what Titano does, you probably want to watch some more YouTube videos on this, but the way that it was explained to me and what's happening to me is it basically stakes itself. If you hold it, it stakes it. So I hold that in my trust wallet. I just get more and more and more Titano. You can see it's at 19 cents. And it has increased in the last 7 days 150%. So I believe that will still go up. Look at the market cap. It's only 186 million. Could that 10x? Absolutely. But again, not financial advice. I'm just telling you, it's been good for me. So a lot of these are ones that the hedge funds hold, right? Saffron is a big one. Dodo is one I want to get into. It's got a $100 million market cap. A lot of hedge funds hold that a lot. Along with the Keep Network, CKB, I just bought that one. I think I bought that one on Voyager, guys. That's a $667 million market cap. I believe that might be a $6 billion one. You want to know why? Because hedge funds, it's a top 10 hedge holdings of hedge funds in the space. There's the Rose. That's a big hedge fund holding as well. I'm also holding Meta Hero. You don't see it on here. I'm also holding Cat Girl, which I should really put those on here just so you know. But these are all the ones that I hold, guys. Just been in this space a long, long time. Again, I don't have big bags of a lot. I have some big bags of some of these, right? Yeah, it's just a really, really. I'm trying to space some things out. The ones at the bottom, I don't actually hold all of these just yet, but I pulled out 11 grand from the Olympus. Right. Again, there was a little bit of profit. It wasn't as much as you thought because the actual coin, the OHM coin, had gone down. And by the way, they make you move to version 2 now for a governance reason. I wasn't real down with the coins. The coins that it did pop up a little bit the past day or two, but for the most part, OHM has been down on the Olympus Dow. So I kind of lost out on that one, just to let you know. So. We can show it, baby. Raj, thank you for being here. Ty, thanks, bro. You suck for 6 people. Yep, Shreve, I suck, man. Totally suck. Just been in the game since 2012, but you do, you hater. All right, guys. With that being said, I appreciate it. We had Sharif Johnson jump on here to hate. So congratulations to him for being such a ass licker. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate it. Again, the money flows is what we want to look at. It's on coinmeter.io. You can get it for free. I bought it to get the weekly and the 3-day, but you can always look at the 1 day. Again, the 3 days, really the indicator you want to look at, in the weekly for sure, right? Also use the crypto bubbles as well, and then I'm also for my news, I also look at Crypto Panic, which I'm sure a lot of you guys use as well. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so very much, and I will see you next time.